to cop some fire kicks without breaking the bank, then you need to check out reviewsindividual.com. They've got all the hottest sneaker brands like Air Jordans, Yeezys, Nike, Adidas and more at prices that'll make your wallet smile. One of the best things about reviewsindividual.com is their weekly deals section. Every week they drop insane discounts on must-cop sneakers and apparel. And if you use the discount code TBP, you'll get an extra 15% off your entire order. It's a sneakerhead's dream come true. But reviewsindividual.com isn't just about the deals. They've also got an amazing selection of products. From classic Jordan 4 retros to fresh Gucci kicks and everything in between, their inventory is constantly stocked with heat. And don't sleep on their apparel either, their t-shirt game is strong. Getting your gear from reviewsindividual.com is a breeze too. They offer free shipping on every order, so you can secure those grails without any extra fees. And if you want to stay locked into their latest releases and promos, just hit them up on WhatsApp at +1 518 606 5329 or join their Discord server. Speaking of Discord, reviewsindividual.com also has an exclusive VIP members club called RSNO. As a RSNO member you'll get insider info, early access to drops, and other dope perks. It's the ultimate plug for any true sneaker aficionado. So there you have it fam, reviewsindividual.com is the one-stop shop for all your sneaker and streetwear needs. Don't forget to use my discount code TBP for 15% off, and check the description box for the link to their website. Let's get lucrative.